Hi, good morning, friends. So, I have started my 2 day Himalaya journey and I'm heading towards Siliguri today. I just came live to tell you something about my this journey. So, me and my friend Balaji Suresh, we both have planned this journey since last 6 months. We both have worked really very hard to prepare for it, and he will be joining me in Delhi in few days. I want to thank Assam Tourism Development Corporation (ATDC) who has supported me, who trust me, and for the first time, I got support from the government this time for